Seems to be working. Good morning. We are live on February 27, 2025. And it's a Thursday. We're in the 10 o'clock hour. That is a very angry dog outside, if you could hear it. Settlement is 5972 and a quarter. I just came back from the grocery store, and never in my life have I paid more for a steak than I have paid for eggs. I just wanted to express that, just off rip. That's insane. That has never happened in my life. Not even the jumbos. I'm like, jumbo eggs? A dozen jumbo eggs is $16, my nigga? What the fuck? What? Sick chickens, I guess. Alright. They slammed for 9:30. They have just stopped at the old month low that we were looking at here. Last line of defense would be this week open. We have taken out January's open, so essentially the quarter open. Oh boy. Listen, man, I'm still pretty bullish here. They would have to not close here at the close. They would have to do what it looks like it's doing now, which is rejecting this close to go lower and reach the week low. For brevity's sake, I'm going to take that. See how we look. This doesn't look like it has shifted up, so very possible they'll have to shift up essentially now. So what I would like to see is I lose this trade. I think in theory, I would like to lose this trade because I'm still bullish, aiming towards that week low. Right now, we want to see if they shift this. This is half. This block is half of this block. Has this half, and that half coincides with that close. So the idea is that they reject here to go lower. We've already taken at 9:30. I wasn't in front of the computer. I was getting expensive eggs. What is that? We have two paired levels here. It looks like it's 6 o'clock, 8:30. I can't tell. Looks like 8:30. Yeah, 6 o'clock. Yeah, so 6 o'clock and 8:30 were paired. It did this, went to the low, took this low out of this candle. This is the 8:30 candle. I would have liked for them to get that high first before going lower. But knowing me, I probably would have just been taking that. And after this loss, because this is definitely a loss, to try and buy into that. It's 40 ticks. You just be looking there, because clearly they're trying to go lower. What are we doing here? Okay, so we haven't retagged this. We hit it twice. So at this point, I do want to see this. I'm still looking for a bullish narrative here. Still trying to keep that up because, to be quite honest, if they take this, they flush this low, it would be like a waterfall all the way down to these other two levels. It's just a matter of will it be today / this week. Today's Thursday, right? Yeah. Be a matter of if it's this week. We have this here, this candle of interest here. We have to make a decision now to either shift here and fail this trade. It's 10:10. So we're in. Now we need to see if they're shifting here. Okay. Six, 8. Okay. Okay, they got all of that. Now I want to see if they closed above it. Okay, so that's still that's bullish. Now I have to invert this. Inverted that. See if it closes above it. 12, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rejected it. This buy low was that post-market NVIDIA low. And essentially that's the previous day's low, and then the month low down there. Close above that. Okay, so that's fully inverted. And this sell low, sell high. Sorry, sell high here. That's taken. Right as I was drawing it. What an absolutely disrespectful Judas swing that was, if that's what that is. Below settlement, 10 o'clock buy below here. That's just perfect in a bullish narrative. marked this out, and I was like, okay, what do you do here? And then whatever. I took this here to see if they would actually ship here, and boy, have they shipped it here. Got out of like 20 ticks. Added volume in this 15-minute candle. Probably gonna take a blind one going into the high of day. 25, 24, 23. Is added volume in this 5-minute now. Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is blind, and this is just going off of the 15-minute close. This 15-minute close at 10:15, just buying blindly in the 10:15. Gotta see if they want to flush settlement to the upside, as well as midnight open, as well as the daily open, as well as open interest. That's the bearish defense there. It's creating wicks down here, so there's 10 down there. Ticks, hit settlement. Put that buy low down there. This fair value gap here. I like settlement. AFK. And I want to see a flush of settlement and midnight and day open and open interest. That's legitimately a shift, so it's just a matter of what do they want to come back down to, if they want to come back down. This is paper, just so y'all know. What the fuck? This was a buy candle here. Jesus. This was my last buy candle here. This is essentially what they just did. There's the 15. There's the trade that we took. We gotta see if they want to close above settlement. This is a buy candle now. Did not close above settlement, but it is a buy candle. Put this to break even. Because if they want to go lower, say they want to go here, I'll take that. Use straight up how I would be trading if it were a prop or a live account. I would have taken this to see if they shifted here. They did. And now I'm looking to see if this is a real trade. I'll probably just stop that at break even here, depending on what the vibe is. Let's discount of that candle. Let's see if they close above settlement. I don't think I have anything else to look out for in terms of the entry because I'm not cleared yet. At 10:30 I will be logging off. This is a buy candle. I'm going to mark it. A buy candle or a sell candle is essentially a candle that closes up or down with added volume. That's essentially what that is. So this is a buy candle, and this is a sell candle, even though it's a order block, because it takes out this liquidity, the previous day's low, and has a place in taking out this month's low. So this is an order block. But I would constitute this as a sell candle, which is why at the beginning of the stream I had sold it. And then this is also a buy candle, something like this. See how clean that is at the bottom? Alright, I'm probably going to get stopped out here, which is fine. No? No? It was midnight. We closed above true open. We closed above midnight and settlement officially. We kind of closed here, but that felt like an accumulation, so I didn't want to jump the gun then. This is now daily open. That's now open interest. That's February open. I'm gonna collapse at 80. Oh, oops, I'm about to collapse. I'm about to collapse on stream. Boom, 80 ticks. That's $1,000. Just like that. Paper, obviously. Just wanted to reiterate that. They're gonna keep doing that for the rest of the day. And that's trading for you, you know. If you kept trying to sell into that, you would have been fucked. But I took this trade short to see if that was actually what was going to happen. I wanted to confirm my bullish narrative macro here. this confirmed it, and then I took a blind buy at 10:15. They retested it here, so that would have been a good, decent buy limit. And then because we're pretty volatile right now, we're moving at 7 points a candle in 1 minute. So that's pretty volatile. And yeah, that is it. I'd love to see what they do at 9:30, and then if they flush 9:30, they'll take 4 a.m. and then to 6 and 8:30, which is paired, and then by the time that happens, we'll take the previous day's high, because essentially what just happened is that we rotated off the low. That's perfect. So if you bought somewhere around here, you got flushed, but if for whatever reason you set a limit order here to buy, you're in profit now. Yeah, if you set a buy limit order here, you're trying to at least snag here, you're in profit. How much heat you would have to deal with that previous day's low is definitely over 40 ticks, but if you're just buying shares or you're doing like a leaps or something at this low, that's unbelievably profitable right now. Or if you did the month low, which would be on SPY. Did everything get hit here? These two levels get hit? Yep, both levels got hit. Look at that. Look at that. Both levels got hit. So if you set a limit order here, here, or here, you have a great position for the bull run that I'm feeling right now. And now it's just a matter of where do they settle for the rest of the day. Alright, it's 10:26. I'm gonna log out. Made $1,000 on paper in front of you guys. This is good. Alright. Y'all have a blessed day.